Unravel this gem of an island in the Arabian Sea. A bustling port and an abode to merchants since the medieval times. Walk through the bylanes and alleyways of the fortified town, safeguarded by the majestic fort, where every corner has a story to tell. Experience the multiculturalism that has evolved from its maritime trade. While still being rooted in its local traditions. Admire the marvelous Indo-Portuguese architecture and appreciate the finer nuances of the palatial Havelis. With our passionate storytellers, immerse yourself in the local way of life. Discover with us the unheard stories through Diu Heritage Walks. While you weave your own experience of Diu.